Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ishq Style. Today I am going to do this look. This is a party makeup look. You can definitely do it in any kind of wedding function. You can see it's a beautiful look. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's look. Today I will start with my eye makeup. I am going to take this color to set my eyelid. I have done my eyebrows in off camera. Now I am taking this small blending brush and taking this color, I am applying it as my transition shade. See how I am applying it? I am blending this color into my crease line. You can see. Now I am taking another brush. This is a clean brush to blend my transition shade nicely. Take your time and blend all the colors to get a blended look. Now I am taking this color and with the round shadow brush I am going to apply this color into my outer corner of the eye. I am blending this with the earlier color. And with a clean brush, I am blending all the colors to avoid any harsh line. I am also applying some black colors in my outer V. Be careful when you are using any black color. You should blend the color carefully. Today I am going to do a cut crease with the easiest method. Do follow my method. You also can definitely do a beautiful cut crease. By the way, today I am using Beauty Glazed Color Studio eyeshadow palette. Now by taking this color, I am going to blend the black color also. Now I am taking a liner brush and I am going to do a thin line on my crease. See how I am applying the concealer. This is the easiest method to do a fine cut crease. Just draw a thin line. Now I am taking a flat concealer brush. I am going to spread all the concealer into my lid. See, my cut crease is almost ready. This is Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 07. You can get it on Nykaa. Now I am setting the concealer. And by the same brown color, I am going to blend the edges of the concealer. See? Now I am taking this green shimmer shade and applying on my eyelid. I am applying it with a flat shader brush. Now I am going to do a thin line with the golden liner on my cut crease. It will help to define the crease. The liner is from inside. All the link of the product will be in the description box. I am applying liner. This is Music Flower Black Gel Liner. Now come to the face. I'm applying a primer. This is from Inside. I have done my CTM before. I'm applying it. Now I'm applying concealer. This is LA Girl HD Pro concealer. I'm doing color correcting to hide my dark circles and dark spots in my face. And I'm setting it with a face powder. This is from Maybelline. Today I will use Kryolan Derma as my foundation. My shade number is D4. This is a full coverage foundation. As this is a dry foundation, if your skin is dry, don't forget to apply moisturizer. Now I am blending this with a wet beauty blender. Now I am doing highlighting with a concealer. This is from Miss Clear, which I have used to cut crease. The same concealer I am using here. I am applying it in my under eye, on my nose, on my forehead. Now I am setting my full face with the same compact. Today I will do cream contouring. This is a Darling Isabella contouring stick. I am applying it with a brush. I will do contour on my face, nose and forehead also. Now I am blending it. I am applying white kajal into my lower waterline. This is from NY Bay. Now I am applying some black kajal in my lower lash line and I will smudge it with the same brown color. I have applied some loose powder into my under eye to avoid any fallout. Now I am applying highlighter on my brow bone and on my nose also. My makeup is done. I have applied red lipstick which is from Stay Cute. Shade number will be in the description box and I have applied some falsies. See, my look is done. You can definitely do it in any kind of functions. So guys, if you like this video and this look, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. Till then, bye and take care.